welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're doing a very quick hairstyle that you can do under 10 minutes. And it's one of my favorites because it's simple and it does not require like a lot of products or a lot of energy from you, because your hands do get tired sometimes. I did have my hair like this in my previous vlog when I was going to the clicks event. I did have people ask me like what I did. Is it like a sleek low down, sleek low bun? But it's not a sleek, it is a sleek low bun, but it's not like your regular one where you have to use a lot of gel, if you get me. Also on Instagram right now, I was like to my followers, my makeup is done, so before I washed it off, please tell me what like quick YouTube video can I shoot. So I was like, let me do this for you guys. If you're tuning in for the first time, thank you so much for coming, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much as well. I really appreciate you guys. And of course, if you like this video and you love my channel, please do like, do comment, do share, do subscribe, and of course hit the notifications button and enjoy the video. So for today's hairstyle, we're going to need these hair extensions. I don't really know what they're called, and like the one video that I did for you guys last year when I was doing a slick updo, I also told you that I have no idea what this hair is called. I don't even know where you can get it. I know I bought it when I was in Botswana, but I'm sure most supermarkets in South Africa sell this hair, or anywhere, so that's where you're going to find it. That's what you're going to need. You're going to need hair brushes, any of your choice. I just prefer these two. These bristles are a little bit hard, these ones are quite soft, so I'm going to need both. You're also going to need a hairline brush or a edge brush. You know what, you get it. Control, this part is optional, and this edge control is from My Natural Hair. Well, they call it edge gel, but yeah, you get it. Okay, so this part I need you guys to properly understand. We are not doing an intense sleek low bun. This is literally a 10-minute hairstyle. If we're doing that intense sleek low bun, we were not going to do it in 10 minutes, and we're not going to be using this gel. So this gel is just going to help. I'm going to use a little bit to help lay down the fluffy hair. Instead of using a gel, you can use shea butter or leave-in conditioner, but you'll have to apply a lot of the shea butter or a lot of the leave-in conditioner. So my hair is stretched and moisturized, but it's not like stretched to its maximum capacity. I was shooting a video earlier on for a client, and I sprayed quite some water and it did shrink, but this is fine, we can work with it. Okay, do is open a straight line. Whose dog is barking? Okay, this line is straight. I'll be looking on the side here because that's where. So we have our straight line. Oh my goodness, my hair is so moisturized and it looks good. I'm going to spray just a little bit of water, not a lot, just a little bit on the ends so that I'm able to like pull it back. I'm looking on the side because that's where the mirror for this camera is. So I'm just going to pull my hair like that. When you're pulling your hair like this, you are avoiding any bumps, not knots. Well, yeah. Doing the same thing this side. That's a little bit hard. This side. Just going to quickly tie it to the back. Why can't I breathe? So I want to show you guys something, right? I've secured my hair down, but I have not yet applied any product like the gel or the shea butter. But as you guys can see here, my hair is a little bit loose, probably because it's not fully stretched out. Also, it could be that maybe your hair is not that long. So we're going to secure this part with 2 pins, but in the meantime, we're going to apply gel and then, you know, lay down. That's how much I'm going to use. The reason I don't want to use a lot of gel is I don't like a lot of product built up. Plus, I don't want to have to wash my hair today or tomorrow because I applied a lot of gel and then now my hair is like heavy with product built up. So that's how much we're going to use, and then we're going to apply it like that. Secure the sides. This is the edge control from my natural hair, so I always use the tail of this brush. This is so weird because I'm not using a mirror, so I like applying on the line as well because it's going to like secure it. Now I'm beginning to feel like my line is not straight. So I'm using this duck to like lay it all down and secure the hair. So I normally do this hairstyle when I'm doing my makeup. Before I do my makeup, that way by the time I'm done with my makeup, the hair is laid, okay? Then I pull the duck from underneath so it pulls from the top. Yes. Ooh, I like that. This is really like a quick something, you know? Okay, now we wait. I don't know what I'm doing because I'm just waiting. My face is already done. Another trick for you guys. Usually when you put on your duck, there's a lot of pressure here, but not here. So if you want to apply pressure here, you can put another duck thing going on there, certain scarf or anything. That way, it can make sure that there's enough pressure here as well. You can use a smaller one. This one is quite long, so I had to put it twice. See, it's now applying pressure here as well. So it won't just be slick here, it'll be slick everywhere. Because you don't want that sleek and then it's not the vibes, okay? It's not the vibes that we're going for. It's been like 5 minutes really. I didn't wait long because we did not use a lot of gel, so we don't like need it to like dry out or sit for long. This is cute. This is cute. This is cute. I like it. What we're basically going to do is we're going to tie this extension around the ponytail. Oh my goodness, how do I do this to make sure that it shows? You want to make sure that it's not too long, because now you can really tell that that can't be your hair. Also, it has to be even. This is the most beautiful hairstyle ever. That is quick, aside from a high puff, because I'm obsessed with the high puff. I feel like my top two hairstyles, shrinkage and high puff, I could be and live in those two forever. But of course, high puff, if you do it too often, it's going to recede your hairline. Another reason why I really like this hairstyle, aside from that it's like spontaneous, it's clean and it's sleek, is that normally when I do like the regular sleek low bun where I'm like applying a lot of gel, within a day or two I always have to wash my hair because I don't want that heavy product built up. But with this, I don't have to wash my hair because I did not use so much gel or no gel at all, depending on what you prefer. But yeah, I love it. It's pretty.